Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about GitHub. So what is a GitHub? What is the what purpose we are using it? So GitHub is a version control tool. So this is provide the repository functionality. So where we can upload our code and based on like different version of code we can commit our code into the GitHub. So like if we have multiple team members and we are working on same project, so everybody working on different module, we are working on different module and different person working on different module. So we create a one repository in GitHub on some other version control tool such as uh, GitLab, Bitbucket, SVN. So we put our code over there, and based on like team working on, they push out their uh, code into the particular repository and maintain the version of the product or software. So this is a brief description of the GitHub. So let's understand like how the UI look like and how you can create a account on it, and how you can make a repository and create a uh, repository, and how you push your code. So everything we can discuss in this video. So first of all, this is the one of the version control tool, which is GitHub. And in the home page we have like two buttons here, sign in and sign up. So if you already have account, you can click on sign in. If you don't have, you are new to GitHub, then you click on sign up button. After that, it's asking for your email ID. Once you provide your email ID, then it's asking for password and so on. It's a password, and then it's verify your account. After that, you successfully able to log in it. So I don't have, like, I already have the account, so I don't want to like create another account. So I'm just click on sign in button, and here I'm giving my username, password, and log in it. So this is the like when you create account and fresh login into the GitHub, then you got this type of screen. So here we have like start your new repository or create repository. So this type of UI you will see. So repository we can create two types, like public and private. If you are secretly work in particular project, you don't want to show the project to upload to the public, so you can make a private. If you want to show your project to the public, so you can make as a private. It's up to you, like you want to make private or public, so it's up to you. So let's create one repository and see how we can create. So meanwhile I'm go with the private one. So I'm just click, either you can click here or here or here, whenever you want. So I'm click on the create new repository. Oh, it's showing error to me. 1 second, let me go back and click here. Okay, this link is working fine. So once I click on create new repository, so this type of UI you will see. So here we have to give the repository name. So repository name should be like clear, and you can try to make like as per the best practice, use all small characters. So let's, for example, my hyphen test repo. So it's available, and I create a repository name as my test repo. And this is the description you can give, like description for the related to the repository. So I'm saying like this is test only repository. So that's fine. And so here I'm make it as private. Let's make it public. And if you want to add the readme file, so you can add it. So by clicking here, readme file is nothing but is just like you give the like information regarding a project, how you can how can like install your project in your local or something related information you can put into the readme file. And this is also like git ignore, so you can this is also the file where you can add the details which you want to ignore to push your code into the local to repository. So leave it for now and then click on the create repository. So once the repository get created, so it's look like this. So my repository is created, and by default your repository have main branch. So main branches have where, so once you create a repository, it will create a default branch which is main branch. And so like a branch have a can have like multiple branches depend on your requirement. So initially it create a main branch. So like some like most of the Indian industry, like most they have like 4 project where they have multiple branch. Like if a person working on it, so a person have like uh, his own branch, and B person have his own B branch, and like C person have like his C branch. And after they made the changes, they can merge their code, A branch to main branch, or B branch to main branch, or C branch to main branch. So like people working on their branch, and after that they pushes their code into the main branch. So this is how we can create a multiple branch over there based on requirement. So initially we have like only main branch here. So this is how we can create a repository into the GitHub. And if like you want to add, if you and after that in next session I will tell you like how we can uh, add your code into the repository, and also teach you like git commands. So based on git commands you can put your code or add your new files. And so that's all thing we will learn into the next lecture. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much to see this video, and hit the like button and subscribe my channel.